Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Here is a common phrase for you today. Time is money. Time is money. So the phrase time is money means that this is valuable. Time is valuable, just like money, and shouldn't be wasted. It emphasizes the importance of using your time wisely because time spent poorly can lead to missed opportunities to earn or accomplish something. This phrase suggests that time is a limited resource, so don't waste your time. It's often used in work or business situations, but it can also apply to daily life. Here are some example sentences for using time as money in a sentence, in everyday conversation. I can't spend all day waiting in line because time is money. Instead of doing everything yourself, hire help to save time. After all, time is money. Don't waste time procrastinating on your tasks. Remember, time is money. So this phrase is great for reminding yourself or others to focus on being productive. Don't waste your time, folks.